Good evening, friends. My name is Nagesh Tompe, and today is 27 January 2024, and today's Viva topic is versions of Java. Java is widely used, versatile, and platform-independent programming language that has undergone several iterations since its inception. As of my last knowledge, updates in January 2000, I will provide an overview of the major Java versions up to that point. First Java version is Java 1.0, which was released in January 23, 1996. Java started its journey with the version 1.0, introducing the core feature that set it apart, such as write once, run anywhere, applets, small programs designed to be embedded in web pages were a key feature. After that, the next version of Java is 1.1, Java 1.1, which was released in 1997. This version brought significant enhancement, including the introduction of the Java Beans component architecture, JDBC for database connectivity, and the RMI remote method invocation API. The next version of Java is Java 1.2, which was released in December 8, 1998, also known as Java 2. Version 1.2 marked as a major evolution. The Swing API was introduced, offering a more sophisticated GUI framework, collections framework, JIT compiler, and the addition of the assert keyword were notable addition. Next one Java version is Java 1.3. The release date is May 8, 2000. This release focused on performance improvements and API enhancements. The hotspot JVM was integrated, providing better runtime performance. The Java naming and directory interface and the Java Platform Debugger Architecture (JPDA) were introduced. Another version is Java 1.4, released in February 6, 2022. This version brought improvement in language syntax and introduced asset statements as well as the logging API. The addition of the Java Web Start technology allowed easy deployment of Java applications. After that, the Java 5 version was released in 2004. This version, also known as J2SE 5.0, marked as a significant milestone with the introduction of generics, metadata, annotations, and the enhanced for loop and the java.util concurrent package. This feature aimed at specifying development and improving code readability. After that, the Java 6 version released in 2006, often referred to as a Java EE6. This release focused on improvements in the Java virtual machine performance and scripting languages support with the inclusion of the Java compiler API and enhancement to the Java API for XML web services. After that, Java 7 version released in 2011. Java 7 introduced language enhancements such as try with resources, statement for automatic resource management, the diamond operator, which was used for simplifying the generics instantiations, and the fork join framework for parallel programming. In 2014, Java 8 version was released. A groundbreaking release, Java 8 introduced Lambdas, the Stream API for functional style programming, the java.time package for modern date and time handling, the Nashorn JavaScript engine. These additions aimed to make Java more expressive and concise. That's all about the versions of Java. Thank you.